Okay, so what we have, hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of June 2026. Keep in mind the role can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are definitely not for you. Take whatever resonates and leave the other portion, okay? So let's start. Cancer, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Mhm. Come on. Cards are flying. What is happening? Your person is all over the place. We have the Seven of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is Ten of Cups. Maybe this person is already committed to somebody else and or getting engaged and or they're having somebody else in their life that they're moving ahead with. Now they're trying their best to make it look like that they never did something wrong behind your back. They never cheated on you. They never did something that they should not be doing. I do see a deceptive energy around some kind of commitment or marriage kind of energy in this dynamics. Whether you are the one, just give me a second. Okay, so there is something related to a marriage or commitment. They either try to hide it from you, and if you already know that now, they are making you feel like they already told you. It's like there was a deceptive energy in the situation and there still is. Maybe well, like some of you guys are not still aware that this person is already, either they were already married or committed to somebody else when they met you, and or they are doing it right now, and they are just trying to make it look like wow, how to make this understand. They feel like they should not tell it to you, they should not reveal it to you. Even if you know that, they should not reveal it to you from their side. And even if you are going to confront them, they feel like they should make it look like uh, as if they already told you, or they gave you the hints, or it was bound to happen like this, or they had their own excuses, their own reasons that you might not able to not be able to understand. There's a sense of deceptiveness in in this person's energies towards you regarding the situation. There is something that they're trying to hide regarding a marriage or commitment. It can be from either side, but there is a sense of deception. There is a sense of somebody not talking to you or not coming towards you or not communicating properly because of this marriage or commitment or something that's there in their family kind of dynamics that they feel like they should not reveal to you, even if you know it. That's funny. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Let's see. We have the Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Sun card. Okay, their intention here is to clear the air with you. They definitely want to clear the air with you regarding something that is hidden, that is that is not completely out, or that is having some kind of up in the air kind of energy. They definitely want to bring in the clarity and understanding, and this energy of this is how it is and this is how it is going to be from this point onwards. And they were not cheating, they were not doing something bad, or there was nothing bad going on. Okay, this is strange, this is bizarre. They want to come forward you towards you with some kind of stable energies, and they want to talk to you about something that was not revealed properly or expressed properly. Okay, basically this person wants to manipulate this whole situation into the kind of energy of they were the victim of the circumstances, and they were not able to go against their family or against certain kind of rules of the society, or there was something that was making them do certain things that they never wanted to do. I'm telling you, this person is still in this manipulating energies. They haven't still changed, or they haven't still fully into this energy of coming forward towards you with everything crystal clear, everything set on the table. The Sun card here represents the clarity, the energy that they want to bring on the table. at the like bottom of the deck. It's like internally they want to clear the air with you and tell you each and everything. When it comes to the conscious level, they want to manipulate the whole situation into thinking that they are the victim of the situation, not you. This is very weird and bizarre and specific kind of reading. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of June 2026. Cancer. थक गईया पानिया नु पुन पुन के गल्ला इस दिल दिया सुन सुन के डाडा किता सा डाडा डाडा किता ओके डाडा किता सानू ये तो संग तो संग माँ की forget about it, mother's eye. Anyway, so yeah, in their actions towards you by the end of this month, we have Judgment, Ace of Swords, the Chariot, and bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. This is somebody who can't stop missing you. The nostalgia, the friendship, the bond, the care, the love that you guys shared with each other, they still miss that kind of energies. They still miss you very, very deeply from time to time. And that is why there are very good chances of this person coming forward towards you with some kind of realization that they should clear the air with you, whether it is going to end to lead to permanent ending or coming back together. But somebody wants to clear the air with you. They want to tell you the truth about the situation. Still, I'm getting my intuitive energies are telling me, even if they are going to tell you something about something and they are just trying to be as honest as possible, they are not going to be 100% honest with you, Cancer. They are still going to try to make the situation look like a tragedy. It's not. They did whatever they did in their senses. They wanted to do that. They wanted to move forward. Now they are not able to move forward, and or they are having some kind of guilt or regret of not telling you something. That is why they're just trying to clear their karma, and it's not happening actually until unless somebody is going to be 1000% clear about what they want to say or reveal. When they want to clean the karma, that's not going to be clear. You can play 1000 games around the situation, but it's not going to work out if you guys are not being honest, any one of you. Okay, so there are chances of communication, there are chances of somebody clearing the air with you, telling you the truth, and ultimately you guys moving forward. But this is not the whole truth. This is not the whole story. There is so many things in the behind the scenes that are not revealed properly, communicated properly, expressed properly. Now your wish if you want to trust this person again or not. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer, for the situation. We have the Three of Cups, Ace of Cups, the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. Just because it used to be really beautiful, meaningful, loving, caring, nurturing, and whatnot in the past. In the past doesn't mean it's going to be good in the future as well. The present is completely damaged and ruined. Live in the present. Don't go in the past. Don't go in the could have been, would have been, should have been, this and that. Okay, stay here in the present moment. If you by any chance you feel like you should start opening up your heart again to this coming together, coming back together, do not forget about the red flags, the toxicity, the negativity, the unhealthy attachment, the unhealthy pattern, the everything bad that it is going to bring you back in your life. Don't forget about that thing even for 1 second, Cancer, because this is going to be on you. The blame is going to be on you. The universe is just testing you if you're going to repeat the same kind of stupidity again, or you have learned your lesson. I think you have learned your lesson for most of you, but for those of you who are still into this situation, still not able to let it go, still trying to make something work out, even if it is the worst kind of scenario, up to you. If you want to ruin your life further, up to you. But I have told you very, very clearly and honestly, this person, this energy, this bond, this connection have run its course. This is not going to be the same as it used to be in the past. Just because the past was beautiful doesn't mean the future is also going to be beautiful. Live in the present moment. That's the deal. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the situation as the guidance for your life, for your situation. You can take the answer as the guidance for your situation if you want to, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, so let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it very short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Hmm. So the answer to your question is get more information. See, there are so many things about the situation that are not clear. I'm telling you guys, this is not right. Something about the situation is giving me very negative kind of energies, intuitive energies. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances, about the situation. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.